Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to make slow motion video in your Motorola smartphone. Before proceeding this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. Friends, first you have to open your camera, swipe left. Here it is slow motion. You have to just click on this red button and make a slow motion video like this. You can see. And friends, you can watch this slow motion video. This is how you can make slow motion video, and you can edit this also. You can change the speed of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.